So this is our next topic, VI characteristics of PN junction diode. So in this VI characteristics of PN junction diode, we are also having a forward bias condition as well as reverse bias condition. Okay na? So first we know about the forward bias condition of PI characteristics. So what is forward bias? In forward bias condition, P type of a PN junction is connected to positive terminal and N type is connected to negative terminal of the external voltage. Already you know kadama. So this result is reduced potential barrier, right? So potential barrier reduced means the depletion region reduced, right? So that's why this point is related to that forward bias condition. Okay na? And next, at some forward voltage 0.7 volts for silicon and 0.3 volts for germanium, and already I told na. So the potential barrier is almost eliminated and the current starts flowing in the circuit, right? So already you know kadamma, here the forward bias condition, the depletion region is increased, so that means the potential barrier almost eliminated and the current flowing through that diode and the circuit. So and next, in forward bias, consider Vf is the voltage across PN junction and If, this is not if this is If, okay na? If is current. So the graph of Pf versus If is called forward characteristics of PN junction, okay na? So here Vf means voltage at presented forward, okay na? And next If means the current presented at forward condition, okay na? So what is the meaning of this point means, in forward bias consider forward biasing consider Vf is the voltage across PN junction and If is current, okay na? So the graph of Vf versus If is called a forward characteristics of PN junction. So here we are using both to Vf and If. The both the If and Vf versus the graph is called as a characteristics of PN junction diode. So the what is the characteristics of diode of this diagram is here the forward bias VA characteristics. So here we are taking the x-axis and y-axis. In y-axis we are taking the If, that means current, and next x-axis we are taking the voltage, right? So F means forward and R means here we are reverse, okay na? So here in the x-axis we are taking the voltages, right? And in the y-axis we are taking the current, okay na? So ఇక్కడ ఏంటి in the this is the this graph is represented as in the forward condition, and this in the remaining of this graph is represented as a reverse bias, okay na? So region from 0 to A, so 0 to A means ikkada O to A, okay na? This region, okay, as long as Vf is less than Vr, current flowing through diode is very small, almost zero, okay na? So what means ikkada, as long as Vf is less than Vr, current flowing through diode is very small, almost zero. So ikkada Vr means entama, already I told na, potential barrier is represented as Vr, Vo and Vf, right? So here also we are representing in the ranges in the potential barrier. If you are occurring the increase in the voltage of potential barrier, then the current is flown by the diode, so that current is increased. So that's why in the remaining some part of the portion of the voltage, the diode of not allow the current. Only when the potential barrier is increased, then the current is increased. That's why this characteristics, this region increased, right? So this is the graph of that forward biased, okay na? So this is represented as the VI characteristics of diode. So in the fully this characteristics is represented both forward biased and reverse biased, but in the graph only we are taking the forward region, okay na? So Vf equal to 0.7 volts means here we are using the silicon semiconductor. So this is the graph of reverse biased. Only the potential barrier increased to 0.7 volts, then the current is increased. So this way means here we are taken the y-axis, we are taken current values, right? And next in the x-axis we are taken the voltage values. So if you are taken the voltage values before 2 Vf 0.7, that means here we are taken the 0.6, 0.5, 0.4 and 0. So here in the between only the 0.7 volts we are increasing above the 0.7 volts, then the current is flown by this, the current is increased, okay na? So this is the graph of this forward region, okay na? And next region from A to B. As soon as VF crosses VR, width of depletion region becomes very thin and current if increases suddenly. Already I told now. So if you are increase the this potential barrier of voltage, then the current is suddenly increased. So this is the graph of that forward region. Okay na. So this Vf equal to 0.7 voltage. So this is also called as a cut-in voltage amma. So in the we are also called as in the potential barrier in the graph we are name indication as a cut-in voltage. Okay na. So this is the forward bias VI characteristics. Okay, and next the reverse bias. So in reverse bias condition, P type of PN junction is connected to negative terminal and N type of connected is to positive terminal of the external voltage, right? Already you know kadamma. So next, the reverse voltage across the diode is VR and reverse current cross the diode is IR. So graph of IR and versus VR is called a reverse VI characteristics of PN junction. So same as forward bias. So here we are taken the VR and IR. So VR and IR means voltage at reverse bias, and next I mean IA presented reverse bias. Okay na. So the biases of both IR and VR is called the characteristics of PN junction diode. So okay, at point reverse breakdown of diode occur and current increases sharply. This point is called knee of reverse characteristics. So the voltage corresponding to point is called reverse breakdown voltage. Already you know that what is reverse breakdown voltage. If you are increase the reverse voltage, then the diode is breakdown. So that voltage is called as a reverse breakdown voltage. Okay na. So here we have some new point, that is this point is called knee of reverse characteristics. So what point? So here we are taken to that point. At the point of the current is suddenly increased, thus this point is called as a knee point. Already we know that point is a breakdown voltage, and also we call as this point is also knee point of this voltage. Okay na. So this is the characteristics of reverse bias. So some points of the voltage is not increased at the some point. At the some point means if you are increase the reverse voltage, then the current is suddenly increased. Okay na. So some here that some point of we are increasing the reverse voltage, then the diode is damaged. So this voltage is called as a breakdown voltage. So okay na. So in this reverse current here in this graph we are representing this x-axis. We are put the values of the voltage values in the x-axis, and next here we are taken the reverse of current voltage values in the y-axis. But here we are you have a small doubt in the okay in graph. So here we are positive of values, and next here we are having a negative of values, right? So negative of values occur avutayi madam ante same negative of values only the ammeter is shown in the practically, but here we are not taken that sign of negative terminal, just we are taken that values. Okay na. So here the sign is not represented. Okay. So but negative values occurring in using of equipment that is ammeter. So negative values are only occurring, but here we are taken only the negative sign we are removing, and next only taken that values what the values are occurring, and I mean we are applying the voltages, then we get the current values. Okay na. Next this is the VI characteristics of the reverse bias. Okay, are you understanding about the VI characteristics of both forward bias and reverse bias? See what is reverse bias means. Here we are applying battery in a reverse condition, right? So here we are applying the anode to negative and cathode to positive. This anode is this negative is connected to the p type of the majority charge carriers, right? That means anode. So and next here the n type of the anode is connected to positive. So both are in a reverse terminals, right? So that's why the current I mean in the diode the current is not flown, because the majority charge carriers are moving away from the junction. So that's why the current is not flowing this diode. So but this p type and n type are having some minority charge carriers, right? So some minority charge carriers means here the p type are having some electrons. So electrons means negative charge carriers, and next here the n type are also having some minority charge carriers, that is positive charge carriers. So both are in some minority charge carriers are connected to this negative, and next in the n type are of having a magnetic charge carriers, right? That magnetic charge carriers are connected to this positive. So that's why here the condition of forward bias is occurring. So means the little bit of amount of current is flown by this diode, so that current is called as a leakage current. Okay na? So some using of this magnetic charge carriers, we are flown the some little bit of amount of current is flown by this diode. So here we are increasing the voltage of that reverse bias of the voltage, that is called as a reverse saturation current. So if you are applying more voltage, increase the reverse bias saturation of current, then the diode is damaged. So that is called as a breakdown voltage. So if you are applying more voltage, more voltage means if you are increase the reverse voltage, అంటే potential barrier కంటే ఎక్కువ voltage we are applying, then the diode is damaged. So that damaged operation is called as a breakdown voltage. Okay na? So here also we are taking the characteristics of that reverse bias. Okay na? So here we are taking the as well as voltage and current. So here we are representing a VR means voltage of reverse bias and IR means current of reverse bias. Okay na? So at point reverse breakdown of diodes occur and current increases sharply. Already I told now, if you are applying more voltage of reverse voltage, if you are increasing the reverse voltage, then the current is increases sharply. This point is called knee of reverse characteristics. Okay na? So here see this. So already if you are applying before potential barrier, the current is not increased. When we are increase the breakdown voltage, that means the reverse voltage we are increased, then the sharply the voltage is increased. Okay na? So this is the at the point is this called as a knee point. Okay na? So this is also called as a breakdown voltage. Okay na? Em ledamma, comparing both reverse biased and forward biased. In the reverse forward condition, the current is increased, the linearly the current is increased. Here also the current is increased at the down stage, means here also we are taken the values same. If you are reverse of this if you are turn off this graph, same graph is presented at the reverse bias also, same in a both forward condition and as in a reverse condition, the current is increased. Okay na? If we are in the reverse condition, if you are applying more voltage greater than the potential barrier, then the diode is damaged. So that called is the breakdown voltage. So in the point here we are considering the knee point or breakdown voltage. Also here we are considering that potential barrier is the cut-in voltage or barrier voltage. So this is the difference between the forward bias and reverse bias of VI characteristics. Okay na? So same operation PN junction diode of VI characteristics is the first experiment of your lab. So total in the lab section we are also doing connections of PN junction diode by using a ammeter, voltmeter, regulator and breadboard, and using of two components, that is a resistor and one diode, and by using of wires we are connecting the ammeter and voltmeter and regulator. Then we are applying the input voltage, that means the external voltage we are applying, and next we saw the output of in the ammeter. So we are calculating, or we are taken the values of by using of ammeter, and we are increase the values of voltage values, external values. So by using of that values we are draw this diagram. Okay na? So lab ఉంటే మీకు చాలా బాగా అర్థమయ్యేదమ్మా వాట్ ఈస్ PN junction diode and how the current is increased and how the current is flown the diode. If you are increase the more reverse voltage current, then the diode is damaged or not, also we are seen in the lab also. So this is the VI characteristics of forward bias and reverse bias. Okay na? So in the forward biased we are taken the current is the milliamperes, but in the reverse condition we are taken the current is a microamperes. So by using a forward condition we are using the ammeter at the milliampere only, milliampere of ammeter we are using, but in the reverse condition we are using the ammeter at the microamperes. Okay na? 20 to 200 of milliampere here we are using, here also we are using 20 to 200 microampere of ammeter we are using. Okay na? So this is the characteristics of forward bias and reverse bias. Okay na? Next topic is okay. Before going to next topic, so this is the VA characteristics graph of silicon, germanium, gallium arsenide. So these three materials are related to the semiconductor material, right? So by using of by fabricating of diode, we are using these three materials also: silicon, germanium, and gallium arsenide. So if we are using the silicon material, the graph is like presented like this. So this is the barrier of the silicon, that is 0.7 volts, and this is the for reverse condition characteristics of this silicon diode. So this color representing as a silicon semiconductor diode of VI characteristics. Okay na. So this is also we are called a potential barrier or as well as a cut-in voltage. Okay na. And next, if you are using the semiconductor diode fabricated with a germanium material, then this is the graph of that diode. So this is the potential barrier, a cut-in voltage of germanium is the 0.3 voltage, and this is the reverse bias condition of this characteristics of sorry, this pink color is represented as a germanium. So this is the reverse condition of this characteristics of reverse bias, and this is the forward bias condition. So the cut-in voltage is 0.3 volts for germanium, and next gallium arsenic is the represented in the red color of this curve. This curve is represented in the forward bias, and next this potential barrier or cut-in voltage is 1.2 volts, and next this red color is representing as the reverse bias condition of the curve. So this is the total of the three materials of VI characteristics. Okay na.